The time has come finally for stickers. The stickers have arrived, and today I'm just gonna go and park up somewhere. We're gonna put a couple of stickers on the bike, and then I'm gonna talk you through exactly how you can get your hands on one of these cheeky PudMoto stickers. Now, there are a limited amount of stickers because I've got one on my helmet, I've got a couple on my bike, obviously outgoing on my bike. Father Pudlings got one on his helmet, Mrs. Pud's going to put one on her car, and I only got 30 to start with because they're quite expensive ones. I think there's probably going to be around 25 stickers up for grabs, and it's just these first lot are just because they're a bit more premium, a bit higher quality, because they were ones that I wanted to put on the bike and things like that. But fear not, there are going to be more stickers in the future, if there's enough interest, that is. But they might just not be as great as these ones. But I'll delve into that once we have equipped this sexy piece of a bike with a couple of them. Now I'm debating where to put them, and I think one's got to go on the tank, on this white bit here, and then I'm thinking one may be on the windscreen. I would like to have one so that you can see it on videos, but I suppose you can't have it all, God. But we are going to sort it out, and it is going to look sexy, and I am well happy with the stickers. So I got the stickers from a website called Sticker App, and it is awesome. Like I said, a bit expensive, but to be fair, they do give you the quality, and they give you every option under the sun. So there's clear stickers, you know, prismatic stickers, mirror stickers, even blooming craft paper stickers. This really sounds like a sponsor, doesn't it? But it's not a sponsor. But I've just found that they are just very, very good quality so far. Hats off to Sticker App. Oh, and also, it's not good, but I think today may be like, it's feeling like the first day of winter, because it is cold as shit, and I am noticing that I don't have my sexy heated grips anymore. So I think that's next on the list for before Christmas and stuff. Heated grips are a requirement. I can't see shit! Oh my god, that is bright. Show me heaven! No? Okay. Oh, whoa, whoa! Leave me breathless! Woo! Leave me breathless! We're almost at the place for the stickers. I mean, I could have put them on at home, but I thought, oh, we'll go to a funky spot, won't we? Here we go. Here we fucking go, mate! Here we go! Oh, I'm so excited to put these stickers on. I am actually so excited to put these stickers on. Let me know as well what you're going to do with the stickers, because I'm very intrigued about that. Are you going to put them on your bike, your helmet? Are you going to put them at Devil's Bridge? Are you going to stick one over your asshole? Who knows what you're going to do? But for me, I've gone for helmet and bike and relatives. I've not stuck it on my relatives. I've given my relatives an option. Right, we're going to pull over here. We have been here before, and it is a good spot. Oh, yes, baby. The hands are coming out. Whoa. Married, just saying. God, you know, give me space. Crikey. Morning. It's me again. It is me. So, now that I'm here, you see, you've got to find those beauty spots to be filming. And yeah, you know, I think that counts as a beauty spot. And look at that sunrise. That's a strong morning, that. Shame I've got to go to work. Sorry. Right, so, sticker time, okay? I just wanted to take the camera off and say hello again. Hello again. Hello. I feel like I'm a bit weird. Stickers. So my plan is, I'm thinking a sticker here, maybe, across the top there, just because that's a nice clean spot. I think just below the tank thing. And then I'm also thinking maybe here, there's a little bit there that says Honda, and there's a bit of shit underneath it, and I don't like it, so I think that could be an option. I did want to go along like the side or under the CBR bit, but maybe that's for another day when we get like a bigger or cooler design or something. But for now, you're going back on the helmet, sorry, but I'm going to put some fucking stickers on, and I can't wait. Boom. Right. Oh yes. Check it out. Stickers. And look what else I've got. Yes! I give it a wipe this morning, but I wanted to just make sure it's completely dry for doing this. Oh yeah. Yeah, so you know what I mean? Like, there, I think there. Because I'm going to take this tank pad off, I think. Because it's a bit shitted up and old. So I think there's probably the least aggressive spot, innit? It's funny because the people at work don't know that I run this. I do really like the stickers. They don't know I do this channel. None of them have ever found it. But now, with this PudMoto sticker on the front windscreen, the people from the window will probably be able to see the sticker. So, in theory, they should all pretty much find out. Right, can we see this? You see how it's clear as well? I went for the clear ones so that it's just the logo, there's no white outer. Right, I'm gonna... Oh, yes! I like! What do you think? PudMoto, there we go. And we're getting another one out. We'll wipe it down anyway. We've got that, so it can be dry. Yeah, so I'm thinking like there. Yes! Oh my god, yeah, I'm chuffed with that one. Hell yeah. Hell yes. What do you reckon? I'm really buzzing about this. I'm really, really buzzing about this. We've got that bad boy, and we've got that bad boy. Bike back on. Oh, bag back on. Gloves back on. And my chubby butthole back on the bike. And we'll go. Check. PudMoto stickers. Check. Check. Let's go. Okay, so the important thing we need to talk about is how the hell do you guys get hold of the stickers? And obviously, there's 700 subscribers. But at the minute, there's only 25 stickers spare. So it's obviously going to have to be on a first come first serve. But they are free of charge. So I can't put it as like a transaction, because then I can't exactly do a free transaction, and you know. So I think the best port of call at this stage for getting your hands on a sticker, okay, is I have an email on my YouTube. If you've not seen it, here it is. There, it's on screen. Boom. This is the email. I'll give you a second so you can just read it. So, if you want a sticker, like I said, first come, first serve, so be quick. Well, they might not all go, but drop me an email, that email, with wherever you want the sticker sending for you. And obviously, if I get more than 25, it'll be the first 25 emails I get that I will send out to. But yeah, if you just drop me an email with your details of where you want it sending, you know. Oh God, it's a Ford, it's wet. Yeah, I'll get them sent out to you ASAP. First class, second class. So I think that's probably the best way of doing it. And also, I'll just mention, there's absolutely no cost for the stickers for you guys. No postage, no nothing. It's totally free of charge, I'll send them out. But if you were getting a sticker and you wanted to show any appreciation, you know, support to the channel by maybe donating a little bit through the super thanks button under the video. Again though, don't feel obliged to, because I'll be sending the stickers anyway. But it's just if you guys wanted to give a little respect to me. And I guarantee that's just made you all make up your minds that you don't want to now because of that horrendous singing. Now you probably don't even want stickers because you're like, oh, I'm not associated with that guy. You're being weird. But yeah, so it's just a small amount at the minute because I wanted premium quality, but I will probably get some mass amounts of stickers printed at some point, and they can just go to everyone, you know, everyone could have like numerous amounts. But at the moment, with the premium stickers, oh, it'd be a bit unfair to people if I gave like others more than one. I mean, I've given myself more than one, but I suppose I am the one true Pudling. It takes two to make a thing go right! As in the stickers. It takes two stickers. I don't know what I'm saying. Who knows? Oh, can I also mention, someone in the other video that I've just posted said that I have an infectious personality, and that's so nice. Honestly, that's such a nice thing to say. So thank you for calling me an infection. I loved it. I mean, an infectious personality. Unless you are calling me an infection. Am I a virus? Am I bacteria? Am I the disease? The disease within the motovlogging community? Shut up, Adam. Shut up, Pud, you bitch. Oh, just before I sign off, one more thing. I've started an Instagram and a TikTok now. I mean, it's mainly so far just like me reposting YouTube shorts on there, but I'm going to start posting pictures and shit. So, yeah, drop them a follow. Links are in the description. The description. Yeah, so drop them a follow. Love you. Right, I'm off. The stickers are on the bike. You guys know how to get the stickers. Happy fucking days. Okay, happy days. Check out the sticker. Peace.